I think this is the third consecutive times Bournemouth about Old Trafford. Our Mabasha 3 goals and more. It is going to rain goals. Before I was starting analysis, for Obi and no one share game in Ibino. 4-4 now, there were a lot of insights behind me. Best me try against so. Yes, starting game, 13th minutes, and Ahmad shared the first goal at the Manchester United. And I knew Antoine Semenyo. Ebeteka 1-1. Then I can create my upon first half, and I can smell Ebeshare. And I 2-1. Yes, that's the second half na. And Ivan Nelson, Eteka man be 2-2. Then Travanier share 3-2 in favor of Tima, your friend at Bournemouth. Bruno Fernandes able to free kick share in the 77th minute. 2 minutes later, Anna Matthias Cunha onusu wa killing game no 4-3. Sena onimse Krupi in the 84th minute. Ebetika Amanaye 4-4. Na game ni 4-4 we no. End to end, because it seems two teams in after this is a game we can steal it. But Omantinya fa go ni bi anka. Any upon game no 4-4. Now no pay Premier League for say this season. Game na when Enrano. Manchester United ever shot 25. Bournemouth ever shot 14. Okaboma shot a PM match in him. I 39. Rich almost this season. Game be anywhere about.
Sure.
You have more shots. A change our game. Now, what is? I mean, some can say, what is the problem? But I didn't think about it, sir. Moshe, net, na moshe, net, ne sham, na mosomote, na mosomote, net.
Yeah, Medford near defense in it.
More Medford, any more defense in it.
Any more than I think you said any problem. And then when we started very well. They started giving me papa. And the I want say didn't catch their first goal. But you see, once I know I'm a catcher say this season, unless they be our Manchester games, your problem pan is say you didn't defending, no. You're very, very poor when we are defending.
Okay. Now, Mubo 3 centre backs. Muya number 2 wing backs.
Yeah.
Namasa Bo Casemiro and Bruno Fernandes ewo manim.
Yeah.
Some defensive network, you know. I have found a problem ne Efriba.
I think you feel Bruno and then Casemiro. Omunjimi share the defense in here.
Enti a problem of shield no any balance na mo won enye
enkoyi because Casemiro enyini.
Okay.
Bruno so enye good tackle.
Bruno Crade.
No na de na e fa ball na
Bruno Crade, I think he is there as a deep lying playmaker. He is not there strictly to give a lot of defensive adiebia emative no. Just that our Bruno wo passion. It's area without the ball. You see him chasing
fighting,
now or fighting, but Bruno is not somebody. Okay, say, oh yes, straight defensive awareness debater. You will bring him in. Okay. Now, Semetiwasi here. And no game now, my boy. Why not a ball left wing back? Okay.
I know a ball 4 back.
Sir.
Yeah. I know for your ball 4-3-3.
Samu.
Yeah.
Me, I didn't see it like that. Because according to Manchester Evening News, Mo repeated the same lineup Modebom last game. But the only difference was that na Morocco for say omo nte ase Emma Mazari embo. So you had to change him, and that was the only difference. Mudura game in him, bringing in Euro in place of Mazari baby and Kobebono. Until for them it was having Euro look sure. The problem in any say, Rich.
Nhyira fan.
Born more born. Even if Manchester able three backer, the idea is to make sure say Casemiro ete mo system nasi. And even today, even though Casemiro and you know, Rich, he still have an understanding of how to play the game and make the team compact. But me no susu say someone who subo no anymore from money no. They are not tactically disciplined when it comes to shape without the ball. And when somebody teams the bar, Rich, it is easy for them to bypass my first line of defense, which should be my front line. Bypass my second line of defense. By the time we do maybe a Casemiro Muono, now they've penetrated Muama or more a lot of numbers in and around Casemiro who Elko. You don't do that. So you're compactor. You don't allow Sadio to happen to your team. Man U is too vulnerable. And it's bad. Of course, Ahmad Enye, Yamvan said defensively is lazy. Mbwembo defensively lazy. Cunha defensively lazy. Mason Mount no. Bruno Fernandes no. So you can count 5 players. They are not so aware without the ball. They are not so aware. And it's ending for them to give you some balance now open. And you are relying on players say Euro money, Casemiro mo. At this time, ending. But Rich, I almost consider for the but much so. And that is also good news. And your negatives in them, they are good, positive ones.
And America say no. For once, you board real dear, but ya nyada pasa just that America no. I'm almost sure they know. I'm going to sure they. We play so well.
Now
intensity be bia.
Na mebo. You see, then it goes back to Amorim.
Just saying.
Almost share the money and me and share. It's tactics. It's tactics. Rich, are you telling me say Man U team here will see?
Nhyira fan.
Muntimi mbo mo front players now munim go ne share na betimi aba mo mo ase go no. Can't you play them in a system? Still now ebema mo balance amobe. Can't you do that? Can't you change permanently to a 4-2-3-1 where you will still have a 3-1 as in 3 offensive players behind one striker and still have Ebia Kobe Mino alongside Casemiro, which will give you more dominance, more calmness, and more balance. But Amorim is too stubborn to his status. Ushanumpo as a sporting director and I say, who of our opinion say, their way now is good. Anymore we can have players on which me who be who just play Bruno behind the striker and play Ahmad in Mbwembo, Ahmad Cunha. Something must give. And now with Cunha as a striker in Mbwembo on the left, Ahmad on the right, Bruno Fernandes as the number 10. We can do that. Then we'll bring in the small boy who can give us more calm on the ball, more dominance with ball retention. And Oye Young, who can tell us, more Casemiro, no more good balance they can give us. But Amorim said that be there until he will be stubborn to his tactics. And when you had the opportunity to close in on the top 4, but more that's it. Add 2 points to Manchester United and come win here, and they will come right behind Chelsea. And Rich, no credit in say if Manchester will want to come back to Europe, they need to find some level of consistency. And yes, sir, and you're possible. And when you should be back playing the Champions League. And to find some consistent form is to find solutions to your problem while you concede goals. Because no credit say the goals can win you the games, but your defense will throw it away. And Rich, no team anyway we are here or yeah there are on defending ye. You don't the way I'm boy no on fasa formula no into the top 4 in the English Premier League. And
I say you were just lucky. Diamonds of the game, that header. And I mean, then it's a kind of.
But your keeper is good.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
So I don't know what you say when I was like, wow.
Only the name I know I'm a game, no. I was like, this is the Bournemouth that we know. But this season, they've not shown it. Why are they showing it against Man U?
Because they are Man U. Attack them. You saw them call first half, no. And one, I remember the catcher boys, no. Say, look, this is a United team. You push you kakrebia. You bet me at Tekano. And you saw her. Second half, no buy now.
Oh, yes, that's Ivan Nelson.
And Ivan Nelson at Tekano.
And they went ahead 3-2.
Come on.
Yes.
And I 3-2.
That's what I'm on 5.
Yes, I found to me, as a referee was a bit harsh. Because born on a brand inside that natural position.
Yeah.
Saying, and yeah, baby, I'm not born a Kikakono. I'm a Bournemouth, be say. It me initial. From the midfield to the defense in the to quote them too much. Me imagine Yami Adama Sunday against Aston Villa. Oh, Villa Park.
Me dear. Money Villa game no. They be American say you play what is in front of you. Yeah. My only problem is the players who are going to lose.
Ahmad Mbuemo Mazraoui. And I hear Casemiro so because of accumulated air cars.
It is a Sanka intact against Villa. Look, Man U. No games be and rich. But you are going to lose a lot of quality. And I'm already say you will adjust. What you can do with the Omo Makano and adjust to it. You will see how you will adjust.
Before I over to us, no. Let's go there. Morphine don't super. Emfa. Abrante ya toboka.
Ubasana nze o pride o seba.
Ayala, on pride ni na sa anote.
Sa.
Ni hu nye hu bako.
Nya botrema no.
Me defender kwa me jan hoko. Ya toboka.
Mr. We are Manchester United near. The diagnosis will continue in the comment section. It is our comment to be at the Fabra. Now I will say you probably have a solution to it. Now here coach Chelsea. And I'm probably sorry, Rich. Now a comment from Jimmy Carragher. Jimmy Carragher and say, "Oh, yeah, word comments, wow." Or say, Penny Interne. And you may cost for Chelsea no. On who say Enzo Maresca will be Chelsea's coach for next season. And that's the reason and they say at Chelsea you don't touch the hierarchy and think say you have your peace of mind to work. As something they say, the background to the story and they say after Chelsea share Everton 2-0 no. And Enzo Maresca called post-match. Rich. Post-match, there's so behind him. In some job for Busawa Sam. Now, watch it. mainly Ayana post match nti Ayana ensam no fa the see o game nim why you this substitution players be a performance unhu ne say overall game unhu ne say o tactics how the game nim the year adwuma ma the adwuma opponent no mo te say ne sa no ma no unhu say Malo Gusto and share the second goal for Chelsea to win against Everton and some 20 ba ko bisa Enzo Maresca say Malo Gusto no o shego ma who are branching the performance
just that
just this question who is saying I see oh Malo any players in tina de bia me catch them say omo ya ade pa omo ya ade mpo amana boso na supporter ono Enzo Maresca any players no omo hia no omo nya na obeka no kra the last 48 hours is the worst 48 hours since the Obeya coach Ewo Chelsea wenya and some 20 minutes the worst 48 hours in terms of DM and I say bunch of some make an want me say a chitaya ye peno ye nya chitaya and we say we so say supporters no and supporters dey be supporters no me do 100% and I don't know so much club no be o do eku no but no kwani say supporter many players no yeah peno we don't get it Rich say we are manager the moment you mention in contest support there are only two people that can support you the team hierarchy which is the board and the supporters it is if you go further to exempt the supporters from the conversation obviously then probably you are pointing at one direction and paying for no now you see as I'm okay no when you make a vague and so that I'm pointing towards specifically wine or dinner but someone see you come on after or cast asking me or movie or UK na from Sky Sports to Talk Sports to baby ano Rich omu no mu ma yenya ntiase say we for say the Chelsea boardroom I say they have too much power over him and in Ejuma and that's they take the decisions and tell him this is the decision implement it this is the decision implement it now Rich Ubekaya playing my Chelsea a promo Pochettino no people were out say Pochettino so we season here pa na dintina all of a sudden Chelsea again no after when the short list of coaches at Chelsea airport ba Montino I don't go for say why would you leave Pochettino and list coaches at semi or Memphis say I want to money buy and say oh Chelsea board they say they are trying to build a hierarchy where they will be more in charge of the club. You only comes in as a coach and they tell you from the sporting directors or more any almost scouting hierarchy or more any board no they will tell you the direction only and say you implement it. Now Rich and you based on that criteria and they brought you in because they knew say with you they can dictate for you. They can tell you where this is the direction. You just take them and implement it for us. And I mentioned it say Enzo Maresca, Sanka Chelsea are two superstars, players with ego. I don't come up coach just to let them finish by winning them trophies. Rich, I do not think Sanka Chelsea will go for him. They saw him as someone of fitting the almost of Mokono, someone they can dictate to, and he accepted the job. Rich, in terms of support, since at Chelsea appointed Enzo, Omaya and Abro in recruitment, they've bought him. They've bought players for him.
But I also call pride, you know. I catch him penny phone say, look, my defense you know, is shaky. And if say, mommy, another defender. Now, me if I can't me defense because
Rich, and yet Enzo Maresca, I know what can say.
Me too, on players be
yes, or Jose Champo moi, obet me do my bar. On Jim, he say he has to always go to the market and buy. No, kind.
Maybe a later no who's a no. Maybe that time me kasa asem no. Me kai all kasa asem sana go no pray.
Yes. Until me catch you.
Maybe after so pray no. I no catch him penny for so okay so pray there. Mama me extra one. Na me find me count. Me sure say
center back. Which chance no problem e was center back.
For now ho. You can say Chaloba ho.
Tosin ho. A champion but the Ashiro ho. I reach Oka Tosin who sanctioned Tosin purchase. You, because you work with the guy at Man City.
Is it not a matter of okay, you bet me a show there, yeah? And you say a coffee Tosin about funny eduma.
Rich, and I make a say, even in say a time, sometimes they have to even look at consider who any background with this place. Obet me no my eduma. And I'm saying it's a Tosin. Unless they be a referee, okay. Tell my Tosin conversation about
from Fulham.
The link that we were linking and say Tosin has been given the approval to come because who Enzo Maresca only need your Juma at the academy at Manchester City. Look, Chelsea has gone on. Unu say sometimes a little bit of success. Every year conversations be rich. And yet Enzo Maresca the day Dewsbury Hall if you let's buy. Today away. It's a players no. The one can sakura in here Juma. Oh, previous team over was you. Yama fan em rampono. Or buy 20 years you soon. Look, maybe in Morgana, I am far away from UK and what is happening at Chelsea. But say Utiem common or more base situation in dinner. After crying about crying, I think it was Piers Morgan. One person on one show or say Enzo Maresca Ensusu Emmanin didn't team say Obetimi Iron on campaign because he has won the Conference League and the FIFA Club World Cup. Chelsea is way bigger than that. Way bigger. And Chelsea penyifono mo sisi no. Rich, anya de Egbali money ayimu hu bi da ne se apamu coach o. Anya de mu hu bi da no. They can do that all the time. At least I know a press conference. I mean, I'm from Asemunsi. A press conference, you know, or say the concentration is on any game, you know. After the Everton game, they also came Yawaka. Send a message of funny piano. For him, he was clear with his message now or the two Abontino. Rich, we are into the quarterfinals of the Carabao Cup. What it means is that Rich, 8 teams aka in the Carabao Cup no. Chelsea na the second most successful behind team FM Manchester City. And son about Arsenal and Newcastle. And these are the parents and Chelsea are starting the quarterfinals no. Rich, if you win, you go into the semis. And for Enzo Maresca, adia air time di mano. Eman kofo enye GDO say oh project in ekoye. When he is winning these small trophies, you know, it's all gada well, my winning Conference League, Makoje FIFA Club World Cup. Nyamiya Madonna Magic Carabao Cup. You know, so or and that gives you hope. Say big trophies never along the way, he will be able to win it. Rich, Sakari, they also Chelsea to Michelle Mo.
So I assume to manage.
Now, my only issue is again visiting the Enzo Maresca problem. Rich, quarterfinals of the Carabao Cup. Will you play a strong team or you will rotate baby? Or you have to find a balance of first team players maybe blended with and conformity a comedy they want to also prove something. I think Chelsea it will muchly depend on the kind of premium and put you on the game and then the selection of the game. So selection majority of them players we think they are above the competition. Then it shows you he's serious. opese otimi win, but I think say Chelsea should be able to win. I can say Barcelona issue na. Barcelona so Copa del Rey tournament they are the most successful, and every year they are almost go. So they are expected to also win. So where players are Ora and Flick and name for according to Lucra and Chelsea Barcelona for Enfa game no in the agro and then you mean I predict that Chelsea Beshe Barcelona so ebetimi ashe ewo Hontrich. Enfa semunu.
So now I could see I saw the message be about say Ayala. That Josh a champion comment was after Enzo Maresca complained about a